Hi, I'm Max, and this is my rapid fire. Pretty much everything. Probably making decisions too quickly. Oh, there always is, but you know, the more that we do, usually the better it comes out. Anything structural. I'm gonna say Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, I think was the last one. The Good and the Bad and the Ugly.
Nice.
That's my favorite. Football. None.
No.
No.
Not at all.
I'm 44. Chocolate chip cookie dough from Al's Cone Zone. Yes. Mid-60s Lincoln Continental. Neither. Permane Brothers, but it has to be the one in the Strip District. Jeff, right?